Hi guys, you're watching Gourmet at Home. My name is Amrish. Today I will be sharing a recipe of a bread. Breads are always considered to be an integral part of Indian meal. If you are in a northern part of India, you will enjoy the breads made from wheat flour. If you are in southern part of India, they always prefer to have a breads made from rice flour. It can be a dosa or uttapam. If you are in western part of India, they always prefer to have breads made from millet. And if there is a small innovation or creativity done with these breads, it's always welcomed by the family members. So let's start making the recipe of Bun Paratha. And for this recipe of Bun Paratha, you don't need any tandoor at home. You can easily grill or broil these breads in a cooking pan. And for this recipe, I will be using refined flour. Along with that, I have got butter, melted ghee, garlic, sugar, yeast, milk, salt, chili powder, ajwain seeds and some kasuri methi. To prepare this recipe of Bun Paratha, first I will prepare the mixture of milk, yeast and sugar. So let's add the milk to the mixing bowl. Followed by I will add sugar. After the sugar, I will add yeast. After adding all the ingredients, we will mix them. After mixing all the ingredients in a mixing bowl, I will rest the bowl for 5 to 10 minutes in a warm place so that the yeast can get activated. After resting the mixture for 5 minutes, I will start incorporating the flour. Along with the flour, I will add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and now we will mix all the ingredients. After mixing all the ingredients, I will add melted ghee. And now we will make a soft dough. After making a soft dough, I will rest it for 15 to 20 minutes in a warm place. We'll start rolling the dough for the bread. After making an oblong shaped roll, I will apply soft butter. After applying the butter, I will season the dough with some kasuri methi, ajwain seeds, chili powder, after the chili powder, I will grate some fresh garlic. You can also apply garlic butter to have some more flavor in the bread. After the garlic, I will sprinkle some freshly chopped green coriander leaves. After the coriander leaves, we will start rolling the dough like a Swiss roll. And now I will roll the final ends of the dough. After rolling the dough, I will transfer this onto a plate and rest it in refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. After resting the dough for almost 30 minutes inside the refrigerator, let's remove the dough. And now we can see the dough is quite firm in texture, so it will be easy for us to portion the dough into equal sizes. First we will find the center. After portioning the dough, I will start slicing it. Make sure you're using a sharp knife. After the slicing, I will arrange the dough in a greased tray. After arranging the slices, I will drizzle some oil. Cover it with a wet kitchen towel and rest the tray in a warm place for 30 to 45 minutes. After resting the dough for almost 45 minutes to an hour in a warm place, the dough has almost doubled in size. Pan is hot. I will drizzle some oil. And now I will gently transfer the breads on the pan. The bun parathas are almost ready, and if you have noticed, we have cooked the parathas on medium to hot flame, and if you see, all the layers are clearly visible in this bread. We can lightly crush it, serve it with some chutney or with some topping on the top of this bread, or we can also enjoy this bread as a dip along with some chutney. So let's serve the bun parathas. Hope you enjoyed watching this recipe of bun paratha. The bread is soft like a bun and it's crispy like a paratha, and it has also layers of lachha paratha. So if you don't have oven at home, or if you don't have tandoor at home, you can always prepare this recipe in your kitchen. Looking forward to see you again in our next segment of Gourmet at Home.